They laughed at this poor boy. But what happened next shocked everyone. Once upon a time, there was a poor boy named Leo. He lived in a small town with broken roads and old houses. Leo did not have much. His clothes were old. His shoes were broken. Every day, Leo watched other kids go to school with new bags and happy faces. But Leo could not go. He had to work to help his mother. His mother was sick. She was very kind but very weak. Leo worked in a small shop cleaning floors and carrying boxes. People often laughed at him. "You are poor. You will never be successful," they said. Leo felt sad, but he never gave up. Every night when the shop was closed, Leo sat under a small lamp and read old books. He did not have a teacher. He did not have a phone. But he had a dream. "One day I will change my life," Leo said to himself. One day, a man came into the shop. He saw Leo reading after work. "Why do you read every night?" the man asked. Leo said, "Because I want a better future." The man smiled. He gave Leo a small book and said, "This book can change your life. But only if you never stop." Leo read that book every day. He learned new words, new ideas, new ways to think. Months passed. Leo became smarter, stronger, more confident. 1 year later, Leo found a better job. 2 years later, he started his own small business. People who laughed at him before were now shocked. "How did you do it?" they asked. Leo smiled and said, "I never stopped learning." His mother became healthy again. They moved to a better house. Leo was no longer the poor boy. He was a new man. And his story inspired many people. Remember this: your past does not decide your future. Your actions do. Like the video and subscribe for more English stories.